up and down, or I'll just do multiple runs up that section.
Yeah. Up or down?
I'm gonna put you right up there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you're literally just gonna stand there with the cones.
Yeah.
And like if someone comes, you're gonna be like, listen, sorry, like you're just gonna have to stay here for 1 sec. Like, yeah. Like just fucking stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like just give me a sec, and then I'll end my last drift right about here.
Yeah, you
on
won't,
this final corner.
Continue past
I won't continue past there. That'll be the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm cool with that.
Yeah. What's up, guys? It's Drifts and Lifts here. All right, so today's episode, from what I can see, we have a lot of gravy that we're brewing up right now. We're about to pour all over you guys. So, as you can see, we got the Harold the 940 with me. So this is my 940 river beater, do-it-all, drift, off-road, whatever you want to do car. And the reason we have Harold out today is because if you guys watched the last video, we definitely put some carnage on the wagon. So if you haven't seen the last video, definitely go check it out. It is one for the books. We did a drift competition in the panel wagon, and some stuff happened to the panel wagon. I'll make you go watch the video to figure out what that was. But today I figured, you know, we were kind of bored, and I got my good friend Blaine with me. He has a new camera set up and he really wanted to try it out. So I was like, yo, let's go out and film some gravy production. So we're on this really cool road here. It is in the middle of the woods in Taiwan. It's the same old unit. The only thing I really did is I put a new set of tires on it, so now it's got some bigger tires on it again, and I put a different camshaft in it. So this is a Volvo A cam. I had it laying around in the garage, and it's just a little bit more aggressive than the factory T cam. I figured I'd throw it on there because it wasn't doing anything, just sitting there, so why not put it in Harold the 940 beater. So, you know, it's a little bit more aggressive. It'll give the car a little bit more power, and pretty much other than that, it's the same old car. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, is there's a really cool section just right here of this road. It goes a little ways down there. So what we're gonna do is throw the GoPro inside my car, and Blaine's gonna post himself up in the trees somewhere, get some really cool shots. And we're just gonna sesh this road. So we're gonna block off the road up here, and I'm gonna do like an uphill toge rally drift in the gravel. And I think it should be really cool. We should get some epic shots, and it should be pretty fun. So hope you guys like it. Okay. Alright guys, let's see what we can do here. That was fun. That's so fun. Alright guys, so I don't want to do too many runs here today because, you know, it is a road in Thailand or Taiwan that people do use. So we'll leave it there. We haven't blown up my car yet either, so that's good. We will be coming here another time though to film some cooler stuff. It's probably the best, like, you know, rally gravel dirt road that we have around here, so we'll definitely have to get some more footage from this place at another time. But yeah, so stuff to come for the channel, guys. We got the panel wagon, so I got to replace the turbo on that, and I got to figure out a new transmission setup. And we're going to be filming lots of Cummins stuff because I actually just fixed the wheel hop on that car, like I mentioned in last video, on that truck, sorry. And yeah, like and subscribe for corn-fed Volvo beef. Peace out.